Welcome to the best picks. The best concrete caulking is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home maintenance, but it's absolutely essential for preserving the integrity of your concrete surfaces. Cracks in concrete can lead to serious problems, from water damage and erosion to structural issues. In this video, we'll dive into the world of concrete caulking, exploring the best products and techniques to keep your concrete looking its best and lasting for years to come. Number 5. XFasten Black Silicone Sealant 10.1 ounces. This black silicone sealant offers maximum protection against water damage, leaks, and UV rays. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use on various surfaces. Laboratory tested, this sealant is rated to protect for up to 15 years. It guards against stains and damage caused by weather and water. The XFasten cartridge is designed for easy and smooth application. It comes with a jam-resistant nozzle for your convenience. Need a quick fix? This sealant dries, sets, and cures in just 30 minutes. It's ready to withstand heat and rain shortly after application. With excellent adhesion and flexibility, it will not shrink or crack. It remains effective even under extreme temperatures and constant water exposure. What we like. This sealant offers industrial-grade weatherproof protection, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It dries and cures quickly, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a reliable sealant that can withstand extreme conditions and last for years, you should consider this one. What people say. I used a caulk gun to apply the sealant to the trailer once I had prepped all the surfaces. The sealant goes on very easily. I have had it on my trailer for a few months, and I am really impressed on how it stands up in the weather. I've used it for sealing pipe and cable entry points on a vehicle. Using on painted metal and plastic, it performed really well. Was touch dry in about 12 hours, and by the following day had formed a really strong but flexible rubber-like gasket. The adhesion to the metal and plastic was really strong but still capable of flexing. Good quality and finish. Easy to apply and looks good. I used a thick bead and it dried quickly. Number 4. Bluestar Flexible Concrete Crack Filler, Light Gray. This product is designed to fill cracks up to 1 inch wide. It's perfect for repairing damaged concrete surfaces. Using it will make your concrete look new again. It's a DIY product that is fast and easy to apply. You don't need any special skills or tools to use it. This makes the repair process simple and efficient. It remains flexible in both hot and cold weather conditions. This flexibility prevents cracking and ensures long-lasting repairs. It can withstand various weather conditions. It comes in 2 shades of gray, allowing you to match your existing concrete. You can choose between gray and light gray. This helps to achieve a seamless and professional finish. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and durability of this product. It is a reliable choice for your concrete repair needs. What we like. This concrete crack filler is designed for easy DIY application, filling cracks up to 1 inch wide. Its flexibility ensures it can handle both hot and cold weather. If you have cracks in your concrete and want a simple, effective solution, this is a great choice. What people say. This material works great. I used it to seal 3 separate hairline cracks in my driveway and patio. It fills the cracks nicely and sets up very well in 12 to 24 hours. It fills small hairline cracks beautifully. It adheres to the crack very tightly and looks to me like it will seal water out very well and prevent additional chipping and cracking. Number 3. RadonSeal 10-foot Foundation Crack Repair Kit. This kit offers an advanced, drill-free solution for repairing cracks. It uses low-pressure injection to create a durable, watertight seal from the inside, saving you money on expensive repairs. The low-viscosity urethane is designed to penetrate and seal even the smallest hairline cracks. This ensures a long-lasting, permanent seal, protecting your foundation. The sealant remains flexible, adapting to concrete movement. Its hydrophobic properties repel water, soil gases, and radon, preventing shrinkage and deterioration over time. Applying this is simple. You can easily use a standard caulking gun to apply the 2-component urethane. It allows for professional-grade crack repairs with minimal effort. RadonSeal products are engineered for professional-grade performance. They provide reliable quality and durability, ensuring strong, lasting results for your foundation. You can trust it. Save time and money by using the same expanding foam crack filler that waterproofing contractors use. It's a proven solution for effective crack repair. What we like. This kit offers a drill-free solution for repairing cracks, creating a durable and watertight seal from the inside. Its water-resistant properties prevent future damage. If you are looking for a professional-grade, easy-to-apply solution for basement walls or crawl spaces, you should consider it. What people say. Selected RadonSeal polyurethane based on a lot of research and the recommendation of a friend who is in heavy construction, highway overpasses, bridges, etc. He knew exactly what I told him about. Oh yeah. We use that at $% all the time. Since I use the RadonSeal product, nothing. No seeping, not even a sweating where the crack is. I can tell you from past experience I would have had some water puddle on the floor, or in the lighter rain some sweating on the crack, but after the treatment, nothing. The wall is completely dry from top to bottom. Once I started to fill the ports with water to saturate, I noticed I had a little weep through the epoxy, so I mixed up a little more and covered it again. Once that hardened, I saturated with water again and started injecting the polyurethane. It does take some patience and constant low pressure on the caulk gun to get it to flow through the cracks. Once I was done and it all set up, I found the polyurethane traveled all the way to the outside of the wall at the top to effectively seal it all off. Number 2. Bluestar Concrete Crack Filler, Gray. Are you tired of unsightly cracks in your concrete? This product is the perfect solution. It's designed to fill and seal cracks, protecting your surfaces from further damage. You don't need any special tools to use this. It's fast and easy to apply, making it a great choice for any DIY project. This filler is ideal for driveways, sidewalks, patios, garage and basement floors. It's versatile and can handle various concrete surfaces. It comes in 2 shades of gray, allowing you to match the existing concrete. Choose the one that best fits your needs. This product is flexible, so it can withstand extreme temperatures. It expands and contracts with the weather, ensuring a long-lasting seal. It can fill cracks up to 1 inch wide. The product effectively seals cracks to prevent further damage. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust its quality and durability. What we like. This concrete crack filler is easy to apply and seals cracks to prevent further damage. It's flexible and works well in various weather conditions. If you have cracks in your driveways, sidewalks, or patios, and want a simple DIY solution, this is a great option. What people say. Filled the cracks as expected, and although it does run a bit on vertical cracks, it is easy to work with. It is flexible, it is waterproof, and it is possible to layer it over a 3 to 4 or 5 day period depending on the depth of the crack and the width of the crack, but it really works and it is easy to apply. It is liquidy enough to easily penetrate even hairline cracks. Number 1. Sikaflex 410 Asphalt Sealant, Black, 9 FL.OZ. Are you looking for a solution to fill cracks and gaps in your asphalt surfaces? This is the perfect choice for driveways, pavements, and walkways. It's designed to provide a seamless and durable finish. This sealant is built to last. It resists weathering and aging, maintaining its elasticity to prevent future cracking and tearing. It's a long-term solution for your asphalt maintenance needs. Need a quick fix? Once applied, this sealant typically skins over in less than an hour under moderate conditions. You can get your surfaces repaired and back in use quickly. Convenience is key. The sealant comes in a ready-to-use cartridge that fits standard caulk guns. No mixing is required, making the application process simple and straightforward. For best results, condition the cartridge between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit before use. This will ensure smooth application and optimal performance. Get ready to restore your asphalt surfaces with ease. What we like. This sealant is ideal for filling cracks in asphalt surfaces, providing a tough and durable seal. It's fast-acting, with a quick skin time. If you are looking for a quick and easy solution for your asphalt driveway or pavement, you should consider this. What people say. First, it's much easier to apply more finely than the gallon jug of stuff, because the product size is smaller and also you can more accurately dose with a caulk gun. It flows into the cracks more readily but also firms up quicker. The only one to last this long without any failures is this stuff by Sika. I've filled big cracks and small. Once cured, if you push on it, it acts just like rubber. It adheres like rubber. It's been though the hot full sun and the colder early mid-autumn nights, and so far, no failures. If it lasts the winter, I'd say it's about as good as the hot rubber melt-in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.